They say technology opens up new horizons, and that's certainly the case with the new Azimut S6. Ample use of carbon fiber and a triple Volvo IPS propulsion system makes her a true sports coupe, but without compromising on comfort. The Azimut S6 makes no attempt to downplay uncompromising personality. Bold and aggressive, the exterior styling by Stefano Regini is based on powerful, decisive lines. And for those who prefer a second outdoor pilot station and of course more sunbathing space, a sports fly version is also available. Unlike other all-you-need-to-know videos, this time we thought we'd start with the propulsion and handling, because that's what really distinguishes the Azimut S6. The boat's fitted with 3 Volvo Penta IPS 700 propulsion units. Azimut's Innovation Lab immediately recognized the huge potential of this 3-unit configuration in terms of fuel efficiency, but also reduced noise and vibration. This boat positively bulges with power and potential. The integrated IPS system is driven by a 7.7-litre Volvo Penta D8 engine with a twin-flow turbo rated at 550 brake horsepower. That's 405 kilowatts, and capable of delivering top speeds of up to 35 knots. At a cruising speed of 30 knots, fuel consumption is around 255 litres per hour, for an effective range of 275 nautical miles. The result of all this innovative technology can be felt where it really counts, at the helm. The system's pivoting pods translate into superior handling, solid tracking, and faster acceleration. In fact, with 1,650 horsepower under the hood, the boat could reach planing speed in about 7 seconds. And then it just keeps on going, reaching a top speed in about another 5 or 6 seconds. A full suite of Volvo Penta electronics makes the S6 remarkably simple to drive. A single throttle lever controls all 3 engines while underway, and the joystick adjusts the 2 outer IPS units and the bow thruster when maneuvering for near total positional control. Active trim control also automatically adjusts the lateral and longitudinal trim to ensure optimal consumption efficiency at all speeds. On autopilot, the joystick control allows you to avoid obstacles in the water by simply tapping it to one side or the other. More precise course corrections are made by twisting it. Twist and release for 1 degree of course correction. Twist and hold for 10 degrees. This yacht truly is a joy to drive, and it's impossible not to smile when turning into the curves. Let's take a look at the rest of the boat, starting with the design of the windows, which has always been a hallmark feature of Azimut Yachts. The iconic square windows in the hull remain, but there's a new development on the S6, inspired, would you believe, by diamond cutting. The superstructure windows are divided into sections and mounted on 3 different planes. The result is unique in terms of the evocative reflections and the geometry of shapes. The perfect foil, in other words, for the angular styling that makes the S6 so immediately recognizable. Combining fiberglass with carbon composites means less material is used during the build process, which in turn means less weight, but also more interior volume. That's why on the S6, the superstructure, the sunroof, the swim platform, the tender garage, and parts of the deck are all made from carbon fiber using Azimut's Carbon Tech lamination technique. The very high construction standards also ensure maximum durability and quality. In terms of exterior design and layout, the S6 retains the distinctive features of other S models, such as the squared-off bow, for more space for the sunbed and sofa on the foredeck. The generous exterior areas continue here in the cockpit with this fold-out dining table, a frigo bar in the corner, and this roomy sunbed. All the exterior fabrics are available in Batyline, a latest generation technical fabric which is very soft to the touch, but also very durable and easy to clean, so it's ideal for the marine environment. A lot of care has been taken to provide sufficient storage, so we have these two huge lockers under the sunbed for storing anything from fenders to cushions and other onboard equipment, and underneath here there's still room for a 3.3 meter Azimut Pirelli J33 tender in the garage. The functional interior layout and design by Francesco Guida reflects the trend in contemporary yacht design for more space, more comfort and more convenience, but combined with a desire to retain the sporting spirit of the S collection. The day area on the main deck comprises this spacious and welcoming lounge with its own dining table and sofa-made seating. Thanks to the very large windows, the whole space is beautifully bright and luminous with 360-degree panoramic views. The well-equipped galley on the main deck has a staggered design with this suspended island unit for easy accessibility without impinging on the living area. The galley equipment is supplied by Miele, a long-term partner of Azimut's, chosen for lower power consumption and excellent durability. The two-seat helm station has a modern, spirited look that reflects the inborn sporty nature of the S6. The integrated control and monitoring system is housed under Volvo's flush-mounted glass console. And last but not least, instead of being tucked away in an inaccessible technical area, the main switchboard is housed inside this cabinet here in the main salon, which can be reached easily from anywhere on the boat. Thanks to the compact size of the IPS propulsion system, it was possible to shift the engine room slightly further aft, leaving more space available for the guest accommodation on the lower deck. Here we're in the light-filled master cabin amidships, which has a double bed arranged diagonally to allow more freedom of movement. It's furnished with these two day sofas and the central table, which includes a vanity desk. With a view to simplicity and versatility, the upholstery and cladding throughout features selected natural materials and neutral color palettes that enhance the architecture and imbue the interior with a feeling of discreet luxury. And that's the new Azimut S6, a thoroughbred sports cruiser that combines advanced technology for cutting-edge performance with spacious volumes and luxurious interiors for outstanding comfort, both at anchor and underway. Because there are times when you can, in fact, have it all.